Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by the gentle sounds of water, the buzzing of dragonflies, and the sight of colorful damselflies dancing above a shimmering pond. It's like having a slice of nature's paradise right at your doorstep. A wildlife pond can transform your garden into a haven for nature, attracting a plethora of fascinating creatures and adding a touch of tranquility to your outdoor space. The gentle ripples of water and the vibrant life it supports create a serene environment. Creating a pond, even a small one, provides a vital water source for birds, insects, and other wildlife, especially during hot summers. Birds will come to drink and bathe, while insects will find a place to refresh and thrive. It offers a place for amphibians like frogs and toads to breed, contributing to local biodiversity. These creatures play a crucial role in the ecosystem, helping to control insect populations. Surrounding the pond with carefully chosen plants will further enhance its appeal to wildlife, providing food, shelter, and nesting sites. Plants like water lilies, reeds, and grasses can create a lush, inviting habitat. Even a small pond can become a microcosm of life, attracting a surprising diversity of creatures. From tiny insects to larger birds, the variety of life forms that visit will astonish you. You'll be amazed by the bustling ecosystem that develops right before your eyes. Each day brings new discoveries and interactions among the pond's inhabitants. From playful pond skaters gliding across the surface to graceful dragonflies patrolling the air, the dynamic activity around the pond is a constant source of wonder. Your garden will come alive with activity. The pond becomes a focal point, drawing in wildlife and creating a lively, ever-changing scene. The joy of observing these creatures up close will bring endless fascination for both young and old alike. It's a wonderful way to connect with nature and appreciate the delicate balance of life in your own backyard. Creating your own backyard pond is a rewarding project that brings a touch of nature right to your doorstep. It doesn't require extensive expertise or expensive materials, making it accessible for most homeowners. With a few simple tools and readily available supplies, you can transform your backyard into a serene oasis. You can easily construct a thriving habitat for wildlife, attracting birds, frogs, and beneficial insects. Here's a list of what you'll need to get started on your pond building journey. Pond liner. This is essential for holding water in your pond. Without it, your pond won't retain water. Bottle rubber is a durable and long-lasting option, ensuring your pond remains leak-free for years. String and pegs. Use these to mark out the shape and size of your pond. This helps in planning and accuracy. Spade and shovel. These tools will be your workhorses for digging. They are essential for shaping your pond. Wheelbarrow. Useful for transporting soil and rocks, it makes moving heavy materials much easier. Level ensures your pond's edges are level for even water distribution. This is crucial for maintaining water balance. Sand or old carpet underlay provides a protective layer beneath the liner, preventing punctures from sharp objects. Water, the lifeblood of your pond. Ensure you have a clean and reliable water source. Aquatic plants. Choose a variety of oxygenating marginal and floating plants. They help maintain water quality and provide habitat. Rocks and gravel, for creating natural edges and hiding the liner. They also provide shelter for pond creatures. Remember to choose a spot for your pond that receives a good balance of sunlight and shade. This helps in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. Avoid areas directly under trees, as falling leaves can decompose and affect water quality. This can lead to maintenance issues. A location close to a water source will make filling and topping up your pond much easier. This convenience cannot be overstated. Welcome to your guide on transforming your backyard into a wildlife oasis. Today, we'll show you how to build a pond that will attract a variety of wildlife and create a serene environment.